Good morning again. We're off. We're a little late this morning. It's 7:30. I think 7:35 actually. And my phone died. So I gotta figure out how to get a new phone. I've had a crack on my screen. And in all the years of my cell phone life, that's the first time I've ever had a cracked screen. So that's amazing. And so I was putting my phone into my tripod this morning to do my little filming for breakfast, and it crunched down on that crack some, and that was it. Anything above that crack doesn't work. So I can't put in my password to unlock the phone. The phone's on, it'll ring, it'll ding, it'll do all that, I'm assuming, but I can't unlock the phone. So I am that made us run a little late this morning, just messing with that. So I don't know if I have that footage or not of the breakfast. We'll see. But anyway, we are headed in. This is the second day of Sell-A-Rama. And I might be able to, there's a Verizon store in Blythe. So I'm going to call them and see if they have the phone that I want. And if they do, then I might take off later this afternoon. I think they even stay up until 7 today. If I looked at that right, which would be great. And go get me a new phone. It's always exciting, not. I'd rather get a new computer than a new phone. So this is part of the day's routine. Finishing videos, getting them uploaded.
Look at it. Did you see Penny?
I know. I love this picture, which I haven't even posted yet.
Yeah, isn't that awesome? That's the
that.
opening to my videos. We were leaving camp yesterday.
Cool. So we're set up. Another day, day 2. Little bandit in his little sweater. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute?
Go. Thank you. I'm so sorry.
Hello.
All your beautiful rocks.
Here's my relief.
I'm your relief.
Okay, Cece came yesterday with the corn dog, and I'm going to run to Parker this afternoon to get a new phone. So we took the easy way out, and we're having, what are we having?
We're having corn dogs. We're having corn dogs.
Yeah, it was time for a corn dog. Best ever. They're in row Q. If you want one of these corn dogs, they are the world's best. Got a track. Look at that.
You didn't get the yucky color you didn't want.
No, this is the yucky color I don't want.
Oh, I love it.
I checked with them, and I can spray paint it any color I want.
Oh, but it's pretty.
It won't void my warranty.
What all do you got
So
on the
bye.
Oh, a fancy seat.
Oh, look at that seat. Fancy seat.
Fancy seat.
Look at that.
I want to ride it when we get back.
Sure,
We can go for a ride together in the desert now.
we can. As soon as my rear end gets used to this seat.
Listen, when I
You're
went on
gonna
that,
change seats though, aren't
I
you?
went on that 6
Yeah.
mile ride with Bob and
Look at that.
Kathleen.
That is a sports seat. Look at this seat.
My butt hurt
got a
me
back.
so bad.
Alright, the parking. First day of the big tent, and I get it. There's no parking. But my goodness, they really need to get out here and tow some of these cars. I was just by inches not hitting these cars. They're not parked in a space. Okay, my second rant of the week. But they're not taking any consideration of anybody else's big vehicles, bigger vehicles, longer vehicles. Yeah, that I almost didn't get out of that. And I would have just put it in park and everybody would have just had to deal with it. Because till they moved some cars, I mean, that was crazy. People just think, oh, I'm entitled to park here. To hell with everybody else. It's all about me. Yeah. People don't think of other people. Alright. That's my rant. So, think of someone else today. So, I got through that traffic, which was crazy. And now I'm on my way to Parker to get me a new phone. I called them and they said they had them. They'd hold one for me, and I am on my way there now. So somebody texted me. Of course, my other phone's on. I just can't unlock the screen. So someone texted me. They're not gonna get a response. I don't know who it was. So sorry if you text me and I didn't respond. All right, let's get. I'm going the long way around because just to get out of that parking lot was crazy in itself. So I'm gonna go around here to Love's and then back to 95 and then up to Parker. I made it to Verizon, so I'm gonna put little baby girl in the camper after I walk her, obviously, and then we'll go see if I can get me a new phone. Okay, got me a new phone. Isn't it pretty? So this has a gel screen protector, and they put it on there and then they cure it. They put it in, y'all probably know this, but it's been a while since I got a new phone, so everything always changes. So anyway, this is my new phone. So now I'm headed to Walmart. Since I'm here, I might as well go there to get a few things. I know we need a few more receipt books, so I need to do that and just pick up a few odds and ends. So anyway, that's where I'm headed. That sun is bright light. Okay, I was starting my videos. We were talking about that today. We start our videos off like, okay, now yeah, it's time to go. Alright, I'm out of Walmart and on my way back to Quartzsite. It's 5:10, so I'm beating the sun, beating the daylight. So let's get going. That was a long day of, well, I guess it was productive, but I wasn't planning on doing that at all today, but got it done.